Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you make YouTube banner in Canva. To make a YouTube banner in Canva, you could normally go ahead and open up your Canva application, select the template and you could then go ahead and create a template or YouTube banner. So for this, you could just go ahead and type in on the search bar YouTube banner. You would find a lot of template available. And if you don't want to do this lengthy procedure, then I'm going to show you one trick. What you could do is open up a new tab, and next on the web address bar you want to type in canva.com/create/youtube dash banners slash. So this is going to take you to the official page where you could find the YouTube banners template. So click on start designing your YouTube channel art, and here you could find a lot of templates available. So basically this is how it's going to look. So now you could go ahead and start adding your you could then start adding in your templates. So here you have it. So you could go ahead and get the pro version or maybe a free. So just drag and drop and make changes, and that's how it's done. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.